line is too long for me. Mia, everyone is waiting fairly. Then they can wait longer. Please do not push people.
Please stop running immediately.
Stop right there. Please wait U-turn.
I know. I wanted to stand here. I am truly sorry, everyone.
Excuse me, you just cut the line.
I am sorry. She should not do that. That is not polite, Mia. You always make things boring. Being respectful is never boring.
The line begins over there.
I hate waiting behind slow people. We can wait together. Then please act kindly. 2 movie tickets, please.
Thank you for being patient.
Finally, that took forever. Mia, you forgot this. Huh? I want that huge popcorn now.
Please wait a moment, young lady.
I will start with this. We must pay before eating.
Rules make snacks taste worse.
The movie needs...
Mia, that belongs to someone else.
Then they picked a good one.
I am very sorry. We will replace it.
Be careful with this drink.
I know how to hold a cup.
Mia, the drink is spilling.
Look, the counter is getting washed.
The floor could become slippery.
Why are you cleaning like staff?
My shoe is wet.
Thank you for helping us.
I am sorry. Please stand safely here, because your mess could hurt someone.
Come on, the movie needs me.
The movie needs quiet viewers.
Quiet viewers are boring viewers.
Our seats are over there.
Seats are blocking my way.
Please watch where you walk.
Then move your chair. Mia, please apologize.
I do not apologize to chairs.
I am sorry, she was careless.
Please put your feet down.
Feet belong on the floor.
It is popcorn rain.
Mom, something fell on my head. I am sorry, let me help you. It is just popcorn, little baby.
Do not tease him, Mia.
Please keep phones away during the movie.
I need to record the exciting parts.
Recording the movie is not allowed.
Rules always attack my fun.
Please just watch the movie quietly.
Fine, but only if the movie entertains me. This scene needs my reaction video. Mia, turn it off right now.
My followers need to see this.
The
light is too bright. I am sorry, I will stop her.
Smile for my video. Young lady, please get down.
I am improving the movie.
Please sit before you fall.
Mom, I want to go home. Mia, you scared him. You did nothing wrong.
Please give me the phone and popcorn.
Do not touch my snacks.
You always take everyone's side.
I take the side of kindness.
I am sorry for everything. Nobody gets to drag me anywhere. You are disturbing every guest here. They are too sensitive.
I am sorry, everyone. Please forgive us.
Maybe this boring theater needs more excitement. Mia, do not throw that drink. That is dangerous and disrespectful. I will clean it before someone slips.
You clean every problem like a servant. I clean because you keep making problems. I missed the movie scene.
He missed one boring scene.
Do not mock someone you hurt.
Young lady, please come outside.
I am not leaving my movie.
You already ruined the movie for everyone.
They ruined it by complaining. Please go quietly before it gets worse.
You can stay with these boring people.
I will stay to help them. Ruined my fun, not me.
You ruined their quiet movie night.
I will help clean this row.
You do not have to do that.
I want to fix what I can.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, but I was scared. You were brave to speak up.
Why does she get another ticket?
Because she repaired what you broke. You must leave now.
You need to leave, now.